All right, what is up, everyone? Happy Friday. I just wanted to record a quick video on how to make sure that the people that you're getting leads from, so whether that's a positive response, opt-in, or any sort of interest, let's say somebody contacts you and they're like, hey, listen, I'm interested in your services. How do you get them to book an appointment? Now, one of the things that we've been working on with a lot of agencies are a couple things, but one of the main things is how do we get a lead, right, and make sure that they book an appointment. And so this strategy we've been using with our own inbound leads, outbound leads, anyone that expresses interest, we're using this strategy to make sure that they're going to book an appointment. Okay, and there's a common phrase I want to put in here before I go into the strategy with do the unscalable now, right? So whatever you can't do when you're, I don't know, at 30, 40, 50, 100 team members, right? Do right now so that you can scale with this strategy. All right, and so there's a common theme behind all this. And the reason why people want to hop on calls with you is, one, you can help solve their problem. And number two, they feel like they can trust you. They feel like they can see you as that person that's going to solve the problem. All right, and so the way to make sure that anyone that comes in as a lead, whether it's a positive response from email, Facebook, any sort of outbound strategy, if you're doing cold calls, this could be interest, right? They say, hey, send an email. We're interested, just send us some more information via email. When you get a lead like that, make sure to pop it into high level, all right, or whatever CRM. That's the very first step. You want to track all leads, make sure it's in a CRM, make sure you're tracking every sort of interest. Okay, that's the very first step, and get it into a CRM so that your whole sales organization is on the same page with where the leads are at, and there's notes being taken so that you guys don't lose or step on each other's toes and you're on the same page. Once the lead comes in, what we've been doing is we're setting a 2 to 3 minute loom, okay? And this could be their website, right? This could be their website. This could be, if they send you some information, whatever it is, whatever the problem is, record a 2 to 3 minute loom. And if you guys want a video on how we record looms, just shoot me a DM and I'll show you our framework. But 2 to 3 minute looms, don't do anything over 3 minutes, or anything over 3 minutes is bad, right? You don't want to. They don't have too much time, and so keep it under 3 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is key, and just have your main points, right? How are you going to help them? And what I like to do is I like to have their website pulled up. So the second you have the website pulled up, you can insert that into the email, and in the email with the loom, they came out with a new thing called thumbnails, right? And so if you insert the loom link in the email, it'll show an actual snippet of the loom in like a visual format. And so they can see you walking through the whole video by just in the thumbnail in the email. And so when you have their website pulled up in the very first seconds of the loom, they already know it's going to be personalized. They already see your face and they see their website in the background. Okay, that's going to entice them to then be able to click on a loom, right? The whole purpose from lead to loom is you just want them to click. Okay, so it's kind of like if you guys run paid ads, we want them to just click on the video. All right, that's the very first step. And the loom video, right? With the loom video, you're then going to be able to get them to book the call, right? The purpose of the loom video is just to book a call, all right? So let's just say call. The purpose of the loom video is to book a call, right? If they don't book a call, you just keep following up until they then book a call, okay? So the very first thing that you guys want to do is once you get the lead, do not stop there, okay? I see a lot of agency owners stopping whenever they get a lead. You want to make sure that you go from A to Z. So in order to do that, make sure to add some personalization, record a quick 2 to 3 minute loom of how you're going to solve their problem, right? Create some interest. And the whole purpose of the loom is, again, not to sell them. It's don't be pitching your packages and, the cost and everything. Just keep it very broad and to the point, provide value enough so that they want to book a call. Okay, not to sell them, but to book a call. And so always end off the loom. At the very end of my looms, I always say, hey, listen, just want to have a quick 5 to 10 minute chat to see if this could possibly, I'm not sure if this could even work for you just yet. I would love to just have a quick 5 to 10 minute chat to possibly see if there's anything that we do that can help you solve your problems. All right. And so you're selling that call, and that 5 to 10 minute call is going to be you diving deeper into whether or not they have a problem that you can solve. And if you do, you can transition that call into a demo call in which you can then give the offer, which is going to be money for you. All right. So a lot of people just want to go from lead to the sale, or sometimes they would just want to go from lead to the call. And this is getting very messy here. But again, you want to add some personalization. Make sure that you're converting most of the leads over into a call by sending over a loom. And that provides value, that provides trust, that provides personalization. And then from there, they're a lot more likely, since you're standing out from the crowd, to have a quick 5 to 10 minute call. If you have a problem you can solve, then give them the offer and then get the sale. All right, that's what we're doing, and it's working very well. This whole framework right here is going to make you some money and get you some more appointments. So if you have some leads right now that have expressed interest and they still haven't booked a call, make sure to record a loom, have a quick spreadsheet, have their information, have your VA send out the looms via email, and then follow up constantly until you get the call, and then make some money. All right, so that's our loom approach and how to get more leads to book calls with you. If you have any questions, let me know. Peace.